This is my favorite season. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are at the Rockwood Conservation Center in Gulf. I'm loving the sun today. It's so cold.
Why do you keep changing your sunglasses?
Well, I don't have the prescription sunglasses. I don't feel comfortable when I wear my normal sunglasses. Let's go for a trek. Enjoying the beauty of these maple leaves in different colors.
Well, I have something for you.
Oh wow, what is this? New sunglasses. Wow, what a beautiful case. I just love them. And the quality also looks great. Wow. We'll show you how we ordered these sunglasses so that you can have these beautiful sunglasses, and they have a lot of different designs. This is Firmoo.com website, and ordering here is very easy. You can order your eyeglasses or sunglasses depending on your choice of frame and shape of your face, different colors, and they have really good options. So stylish and fashionable. Look at these beautiful eyeglasses, and I ordered for myself the prescription sunglasses, and now I feel so comfortable. I don't have to switch my eyeglasses and sunglasses every now and then. They have a try on option as well, and ordering is so easy. You just have to select the type of lens you want. You want prescription or non-prescription sunglasses. If you have prescription, you can upload it here, or if you're looking for a normal glasses, you can choose options from here. So as you can see here, I chose polarized sunglasses, and it is for $95.74 only, and they give you a free anti-reflective coating which is included in the price. You can just add it to your cart, add your details, proceed to checkout, and there are two types of shipping available. The total comes to $106.78, and when you apply this coupon code, and you will get 50% discount on frame using this code mentioned in the description as well. So it's a really good choice. I'm in love with my new sunglasses from Firmoo, and I highly recommend them because they are so affordable and really good and comfortable. So what are you waiting for? Just go online and order a pair for yourself and share this video with your friends and loved ones. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this video.